Yan deɛ yɛdin kan aka kyerɛ mo sɛ Ghana ha sei yɛnim sɛ nkrɔfo bebree wɔn yɛ ade a wɔn de adwempa na ɛyɛ but ɛtɔ de bi a adwempa na wɔn de yɛ saa adeɛ no ɛkɔkɔ ɛnde bɔne na answer na ɛbɛto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell on the so yɛ the latest news bi aba wɔn sa ɛbɛka Ndra Kennedy Japan as usual wɔbɛtema na 2 ɛna kyerɛ sɛ expose akɛseɛ wo yiyi ye ensem ni bia wo yiye. I was even shocked say hey obi nim because some of ensem no audios na wo boy no clearly wuti audio na obi hu ne say na kre said de na Kennedy Japan ede to obi nim so say obi nim re emba na nyama no audios ni bi wuti a you get that feeling say sa same way there eye na kre because they bia meka say wo bi ba bonten na wo de ensem ebetudwa efa wo bi hu a eye two ways. It's either say in semno nekre and say nekre. And you know, yes, Mekra mekan. Mbra Kennedy Japan, Florence Obinim, Eba Bonten Bekan Semno Meba Bonten Beka say, I didn't see anything wrong with what Florence Obinim said. Yesterday, I had a chance to listen again, and then I was like, oh, okay, I understand Kennedy Japan now because Florence Obinim Kasebia Wakan, you know, and Sheda Ankoye. Na Ndra Kennedy Japan adie bia I just want to ask some questions because it doesn't sit well with me. Musu munim say Kennedy Japan wo ye papa meba abontia beka. Wo ye adie who doesn't sit well with me so meba abontia beka. Yesterday wo bobo emba bidin say emba no nkrofo a wo bi nim ene omo ada. Me count say emba wo bo mudin no wa munim Priscilla bi obo IVB just wo bo Ajoa bi a wo se wo airport Benedict Agafa yen Ghanaian Kumawood actress Benedict Agafa kra no Kennedy Japan ebo de din say yes Benedict Agafa no obi nim ere no left right sa just say warrior na emani bi Kennedy Japan show wo mo pictures e wo screen so na wa body wo ba we Perpetua obi ni marry o Suzy obi ni marry Edna obi ni marry na tese wo tre emane pictures e wo screen so na metenasia e na medwe na meka say sa die we ya Kennedy Japan ye no mesra mu yemfa bibia ento nchen. Do you think it is right? Because we all love Kennedy Japan because we feel say Oba bonten abeye enyama etia nkrofo a what they are doing no is not right. So he speaks against wrongdoing. That's why a lot of people love Kennedy Japan. If someone is speaking against wrongdoing, what if that person also woye bibia and also wrong? Last will be framing oka say she see the Ghana 4% yefa Kennedy Japan as a thank God. Just say, well, no, dear, why Bonia, my boss, and will be your Bonia, he has the right to come and say. Ndra, he showed images of ladies, Biana or alleged say, Womuni will be named Ada, and will be named your mother. Two ways. It could be say, a yanacre and a yanacre. It could be say, ladies, nibi, necre, Womuni will be named my baby. It being so human perception, because media mecatra say, or bear money or bar, so one got 2 or more diamonds said, one more real moa. It could be 2 say a yanekra and say yanekre. But my problem is Kennedy Japan showing the images of these ladies no. In ba way no ebimo aware even ono Kennedy Japan and kasakan. Obobo mbali bidin say we waware watakrade. Inti mbali bi aware na wo ba ebe show wo mo pictures. Na wo kan say wo bi nim anyway ada no. Are you not disgracing the ladies themselves? Because Obano and Embano and your money will nenya. And you will be him and they will nenya. So as you are showing their images, ewo TV so in Grofo omuni momo, ebianende will be respected Wabane pa, but what can say when you for obi nim who I will picture and say Kennedy Japan na can say will be him any waba we adano. Ni respect for Obano ebetiada. Ebia wabano ni pakwa awaware no One can't know about Obinim say, oh, na me ni Obinim shisheho. Wakwa cancer idea way. A bit to me, my neck no crane when they say, ah, Obiana mebe wari one can a crown treme Kennedy Japan so ena a show pictures. Imagine Wabano Nikunu Nebusian for how they will feel ashamed. Would they still have respect for the lady? But Wabawe or Babia, one personally no one Kennedy Japan a nya sembiayo. Obane ni Obinim ene nya sem. Ena Kennedy Japan ababe show Obane picture. Ah waka say Obawe Obinim ni nada. Obawe Obinim ni nada. What Kennedy Japan did no, we understand say Obinim na ye ne bone, but mesremo e ya sembisa. E ye wo enanke ye de ye wa, nanke be ye oda na wa wo tie me a wo ye oba. Imagine say wakwa ware. Na ende a wa ware o oba, just say your family everything is fine. Na wo bi e de wo TV so e tre o picture. E bo abrantie bi din, ye fa ne say e bia o ex bi. And then wo ex no wo ye kronfo ana bibi. Na wo bi e de o picture si TV so e bo wudin say abrantie na ye che na ye se wo ye kronfo no kra no wo ne wo ba we yada na wo show we picture. Misre o wa wo tie me no e be ye ode. Will you be okay? Like, will you feel okay? Even if you feel okay, the people around you, do you think you still gather that respect from people around you? No, because on live TV, and Kennedy Japan, and me Ghana has say, I have not seen a live show in Crawford that much airship Ghana. Over 22, 23, 24, 25,000 concurrent views. Over 25,000 people at a point in time now will be an airship. I have not seen that thing in Ghana before. Say live TV panel, live show in Crawford, more than 25,000 airship at a time in Ghana. So yesterday, Kennedy Japan set a record. A lot of people were watching. And so showing the pictures of these ladies even proves say nekre nkofo bebre obi wo ho a woni moba ne se woba ne ye noble ebi afa ne se woba ne kra wakwa akwaware obi a wo ye sofo ena Kennedy Japan akwa show woba ne picture asafo mano. How do you think they will see Osofo Mame no? Ana Asafo Mame, that's the right word, Asafo Mame. Asafo Mano, how do you think they will see Asafo Mame? Respect no more woman no, eso bete. But Obano, enye me fault. Obano onu Kennedy Japan enkonya ntokwa bia yo. Na asemo ameme kan say ade a Kennedy Japan wo ye ni na no, it is because of Florence Obinim eni Obinim ebufu a wo mo ahye no. Embra Kennedy Japan eni Obinim enya asem a Florence Obinim be kasae no. Yen Ghana fo na ye ka se Florence Obinim e Kennedy Japan wan bo udin ade na wo se wo de wano eba be shim. And Kennedy Japan is showing the pictures of ladies wo mo wo allege say Obinim eni omo ada. Me pese me bisa mo asemo. With that same standard no. Ladies no, wo mo aye Kennedy Japan bibia na. He could have just mentioned their name even without showing ebia baby wo mo tie. He could have just mentioned their names. Ebia Edina, ebia Perpetua, ebia Susie. O de membo baby o mo tie. Ba obo Edina eye vague. No wabo Susie, no wabo way. But going as far as showing their pictures. One, some of these ladies can decide to take you on in court. Some of these ladies can decide to take you on in court and also a different avenue. But that's not the one I'm even looking at. And then, we call social media, Benedict Tagafa, ni din air trendy. Because Kennedy Japan waka, se will be named Areno. And this goes a long way. Benedict Tagafa ni obi a wawario. And then, ebia wone bema bi ewo ho. One more plan say one more bar beware. Wobema nati bibi say. How do you think the man will feel? Say wobema ne cry okay ya. Ebusiem mu a Benedict Tagafa wo kwa worry wom no. How do you think say ebusua no they will fail. Because Kennedy Japan also can send to us say will be no send your teno oni oba bin so da otumi de wo ye rituals ne nyama nti wo oba ma na kra na Benedict Dagafa be ware wana omo a obi ni mabom di so wo mo be ware no ebia na wo kra wo bi enkoyie ubon so oba ma ne de be show oba na say ende wo ni obi ni nkoda ya wo be ware me no eno hunti because Kennedy Japan na eka say emani bi obi ni mi omo da wi a wo mu wu ebi mu so wo de omo ye rituals. You see how this thing can affect the women and their marriages. So wonya ware ya ebe ye den ama ne se wo benye kunu. So wa ware nso a na ware betumi efeli because of the disgrace a Kennedy Japan what share one pictures no. I just want you guys to share your thoughts on this. Minim se mo amotie me. Kennedy Japan ya papa amoka. Ade wey me susu say yes Kennedy Japan na ne buefu obi nim ne Florence obi nim mama ne buefu. I think say he could have just gone ahead and mentioned the names of the ladies if he wanted to mention the name. That's what I think. But going as far as showing the pictures of these ladies on live TV, I don't think that was right. Munche mo adwo comment box no mo, but that's it.